So this is the user interface of the console. Here you can spin up clusters and manage them easily and simply. Let's spin up a new cluster together. So we're going to give the cluster a name, choose the OpenSearch version, and decide in which namespace to install the cluster. I'm going to actually create a new namespace for the cluster and call it OpenSearch Cluster. Now we're going to declare the node pools of the cluster. First, I'm going to define the masters group. Let's have 3 masters, and as you're familiar, starting OpenSearch version 2, master roles were renamed to cluster managers, so that's the role we're going to choose. Now let's add the data nodes. We're going to start with a single data node. As you can see here, you can configure all the resources parameters from CPU, memory, disk, and storage class. Everything we're doing in this wizard has representation in the YAML file, which the OMC will apply to the operator. You can see the YAML file that was created, and you can also download this YAML file and store it in your GitOps repo. Now we're going to create the cluster. You can see the cluster is initiating. Let's take a look from the Kubernetes side. We can see that Kubernetes is initializing the pods. We just need to wait for them to be ready. Okay, now we can see the cluster is up and running. Now let's open the port to the OpenSearch cluster and verify that it's up. This is the demo cluster. Let's open the port to it. Just putting in the user and password. You can run similar commands to the cluster from the console directly. The cluster is up and running. You can always modify it, scale it up or down, and manage it from the console. Your cluster is now available. Have a go at running it yourself and let us know how it goes. Have a great day.